I was born in the Mississippi Delta in a small town of Louisville, which is really just a wide spot in the road. We later moved to Greenville. The thing about the Mississippi Delta is it is exploding with color and flavor. It really impales your senses, all of your senses. The heat is so intense that you can see it. You could almost cut it with a knife. It is almost unbearable at times, but that's the Mississippi Delta. You are overwhelmed with the music, the artwork, the flavors in the food. That's what I want my food to emulate. I want it to be an experience, not just a flavor profile, but I want you to be able to taste the music, taste the artwork. I want you to be able to feel that when you're eating. My style of barbecue is Memphis style, and it's really geographically located in the center of all the other styles of barbecue. You know, Memphis really draws all those styles of barbecue together. You get it all. I mean, it's vinegary, it's salt and pepper, it's sticky sweet, it's the best barbecue, of course. My husband made the mistake of taking me to a barbecue contest, and it definitely appealed to my sense of competitive spirit, but mix a competition junkie with food and I was hooked right away. I thought, man, I can do this. This is love at first sight. When I was first thinking about entering a barbecue contest, I was so naive. I didn't realize that the competitors were taking commercial products, adding a little something to it and calling it their own. So I made mine from scratch, and I think it served me well. I love grilling because I love the flavor of grilling. I love the flavor of outdoor cooking. You know, I like to bring everybody outdoors to cook with me. And so many memories are made when you can get a group of people together and be outside and, you know, just enjoy the moment of putting things on the grill and cooking up some good food and enjoying those times together. I really enjoy cooking on Pit Boss pellet grills because it's so easy. You know, you can really set it and forget it. It made my life a joy again. You know, I don't have to constantly watch the grill. I tell you, it is definitely my go-to grill these days. It's bigger, it's hotter, and it's heavier than its competitors, so it was a no-brainer for me. It is a great value, and Pit Boss Grills was my #1 choice. You can charbroil, you can smoke, you can even bake a pizza on a Pit Boss Grill, so it's so versatile. You can use it for anything. I'm so excited to be part of the Pit Boss Nation, and I can't wait to share my recipes with the rest of the Pit Boss team.